Hi everyone, this video is a tutorial for flashing your comma pedal in DFU mode with this DFU key. You can find all the products in this video at our website or at the Etsy store. So this is a DFU key. There is a Type-C male connector for flashing your comma device, the Type-C female connector for connecting a USB cable for your computer, and the Type-A male connector or the USB connector for connecting with your pedal. Be aware that you should never plug the USB connector directly to your computer. It will short the DFU key. Now let's connect this DFU key with the computer and start flashing firmware. I will cover how to flash your pedal under Linux and Windows, but the direction for using the DFU key is the same. Here is the plain pedal, pedal with case, and the Smart DSU. I will cover how to flash Smart DSU in another video. Feel free to leave the pedal in the case and directly plug the USB key to the pedal. Let's go over how to flash under Windows system first. Before we get started, you will need to download the STM32 Cube Programmer software. Make sure you download the Programmer software and the opening page should look like this. So now you have your DFU key plugged into the pedal, and the DFU key is connected to the computer with a USB cable. Without doing anything on your DFU key, your software should look like this. The port should show no DFU key. Now get your DFU key on hand. There is a toggle switch and a button between the USB key and the Type-C female connector. The toggle switch should be on an off position before flashing. Now press the button, switch the toggle up to on, and hold the button for 3 to 5 seconds. Then press the button on the top right corner and wait for USB plus a number appears. Then hit connect. This pedal is being erased, otherwise you will see question marks instead of F and Y. Then click the download button on the top left corner. If you have already flashed a firmware on your pedal, you can erase it, but you can simply proceed without doing so unless you encounter problem while flashing. Click Browse and find the edition of the firmware you need. Let's install the file with longer name first. Make sure you have the correct address for each file. Then click Start Program to flash. Then do the exact same thing for the other file. Make sure you have changed the address. Click Disconnect, then replug the pedal, or you can replug the USB cable from your computer. You should see a green light flashing on the pedal, meaning the flashing is completed. For Linux users, I assume you have your environment set up and ready for flashing. If you have trouble setting up the environment, please refer to the Windows system. You should have these files ready for flashing. Right-click and open in Terminal. Now get your DFU key on hand. There is a toggle switch and a button between the USB key and the Type-C female connector. The toggle switch should be on an off position before flashing. Now press the button, switch the toggle up to on, and hold the button for 3 to 5 seconds. Then key in the command ls USB and make sure you see STM device in DFU to ensure the DFU is working. Then run the flash file to complete flashing. After flashing completes, there should be a green light flashing on your pedal. You can find all the products in this video at our website or at the Etsy store.